Weekend has a special meaning in the busy life of London. EEL Association organized retail lifestyle and professional services exhibition at the Willows. Stalls of various foods, clothes, jewelry and a fashion show was also arranged. People and business owners said that type of events give them opportunity to meet other people and to promote their business. More details in this report.
Weekend has a special meaning in the busy life of London. EEL Association organised retail lifestyle and professional services exhibition at the Willows. Stalls of various food, clothes, jewellery and a fashion show was also arranged. People and business owners said that the events of this kind give them the opportunity to meet other people and to promote their businesses.
I am Geeta. I design and I make jewelry by hand from my home studio. So I take custom orders to design and make jewelry with beads, pendants, charms, tassels, chains, you name it, and I have it in stock. Usually I don't have ready stock because it is all custom made.
Hi, I'm Rumi from Quirky Birdie. We sell jewellery, bags and prints. The prints are all created by me digitally and printed. You can contact us at...
Hi everyone, my name is Veerpal. I'm owner of Medline Skin and Aesthetics. I do all skin and aesthetic treatments in my clinic based in Romford. I do all facial peels, hyperpigmentation, acne, scars, and I have my own skincare range. And my background is I'm a clinical pharmacist, so I know all medical products and the treatments.